and it's been a while. Welcome. This is the Finance Queen. My name is Lady Isha. I am a self-development and money mindset coach, and on this channel particularly, I talk about finances, money management, and how to manifest money with more ease and grace and peace. Because not everything has to be struggle and too much manual labor. Of course, please understand that no matter how you look at things, there's always a certain amount of work required. Even if you try to work smartly, it still requires work for you to be able to get to that point. If you have passive income sources, it still means that you did put in the work in the beginning, enough for it to become passive at some point. Every single passive income source nowadays is not really 100% passive anyway. There's always some kind of work that you have to put in anyway. So if you're looking at finance channels and money channels because you're looking for like a, what do you call those? Get rich quick scheme, then you are really digging a hole for yourself, because there is always going to be upfront work, effort, energy, maybe even money required to start anything whatsoever, no matter whatever you want to do. But today in particular, I really want to talk about the manifestation of money, the energy, the frequency of money. Now, since we all know that money, comes to those that love and appreciate and respect money. Now, I don't know if you've noticed this or not, but when you are in the place of lack, right, where you think, oh, money is just evil, money is never enough, money is never there when I need it, it's such an enemy. But then you have people who are literally best friends with money. They offer and provide services and products that people love, and they know that because of the value that we bring to the world, people love to pay us. For example, my coaching service, my ebooks, stuff like that. People love paying me for the things that I bring to them, for the outcome that they can get through my courses, through my education, through my knowledge, through my readings, through my workings. They understand the value of those things because they see a transformation happen. They see some kind of change, and that is why they love paying for that change. They're not really paying me. What they're paying for is the transformation and the changes that they get, the outcome that they get, right? So manifesting money in that sense can be a very easy game if you understand the fact that money is energy. And you have to be the reciprocal of that. You cannot hate money, but then expect it to be there magically with you when you need it. No, it's gonna be there with you because you expect it to be. Because that's just your norm. Because why not? So you almost have to play this mind game with yourself and tell yourself, okay, money is great. It's me who has the power. If money is in my hands today, I am the one in charge and power to decide what to do with it. I can now decide to do evil with it, or I can now decide to do great things with it that bring goodness into the world, whether it's charity, donation, helping the family, helping the poor, helping the neighbors, helping myself. These are all good things that you do. Or maybe even saving up for the future, that's a good thing to do too. Or maybe investing to double it, that's a good thing to do. Investing it in stocks so that that money can make more money, that's a good thing to do. So when you decide to do good things with money, money is just a tool. It just can't be evil, bad, this, that, enemy. No, because it doesn't possess that kind of energy. It doesn't possess that kind of power. You are the one with the brain. You are the one with power because you are the one who decides what to do with that tool that you call money, that you call cash. It's just currency, it's just energy. And when you tap into the frequency of money, money will actually start loving you and wanting to be in your pockets because you respect money. So when you start respecting yourself, you respect money more. And sometimes I work with my coaching clients and I find it so funny because the ones that have a bad relationship with money are normally also the ones who have bad relationships in their personal life also. These things are so interrelated to one another that you will often find that once you start to learn about finances and money and you improve your money, you will see that your relationships also all of a sudden have started to improve. Why? Because you are now becoming the reciprocal of abundance, health, wealth, relationships, goodness. It's all the same frequency. The top 10% frequency. I have a whole course on this which I teach my ladies, to tap into the top 10% frequency, because that is where abundance is. That is where love is. That is where health, wealth, good relationships, a good social circle, a good, happy, peaceful life is. Because it's a certain frequency. When you get into that frequency, all of these concepts become like second nature to you. Then you don't have to learn this. Then it's kind of like the new norm for you. And you want this to be the new norm for you. Even though this is a money channel and we're talking about money today, but I would highly suggest that if you're able to put in the work and you're ready to change your identity and shift your mindset just a little bit so you can get better rewards and get more benefits in life, definitely get into the top 10% frequency course. It's on my website ladyisha.com, and you will see such a difference. As soon as you enter the course, well, the content is already there. You just have to get into the course and you can start the work right now. But as soon as you get into there, it has a certain frequency, it has a certain energy. You will already see the shift happening in your life, around you, within you, and in your pockets, because that is why you're here. You want a change in your pockets. And remember that every time you want to attract money or make more money as a female, as a man, it all starts with your mindset. When your mindset is right and okay, do you know what? I have created this amazing service, this amazing product. I have done what I really needed to do. It is great. People are loving it so far. This is it, I'm gonna make money. Then honestly, only one website, one product, one service, one social platform, one is all that you need. You don't even have to be all over the place, creating multiple listings at the same time, all that pressure. One thing, and oh my God, it's amazing. I'm gonna work this out. This is it, it has to work because it just has to. Why? Because I decided. Why? Because I want this to. Why? Because this is my best creation and it can bring such a change in people's life. I can make a change in people's life with my services. I can change people's life with my products and my services. That is why I deserve everything. That is why I deserve the money that is coming my way. Right? It's a mindset. And the fact that I also respect money, it has to be there with me. It has to be my best friend. It has to cover me. It has to cover my ass. I cannot be in the lack of it. And so to ensure that I'm never in the lack of it, what do I have to do? Always feel abundant. Always keep providing the best service, the best product that there's out there. Always. So that people will always love paying me for my services because they are getting an outcome that they really, really need in their life. A lot of you guys are making products and services thinking only about yourself. You have to tap into your customers and think, okay, what do they feel like they need in life? What do they feel like? And you will often find that people don't buy things or throw big money at things that are logical to them. Oh no! When things are too logical, you don't even want to spend money. Mostly you spend money because you want to, you feel like it. You feel like, oh, this is gonna be great, this is gonna make me happy, this is gonna be so good for me, this is gonna change my life, this is gonna be beneficial for me, it's gonna make my life more easy, more pleasure, more peace and ease is gonna come in my life. That is when you throw money and buy stuff, right? You don't buy things with logic, right? Where you think, oh, this is great because this is gonna make my life more strategic and more disciplined. No. When you think with logic, you would not want to buy and purchase anything whatsoever. You wouldn't even go college and university and then end up with so much, hundreds and thousands of pounds in debt just because logic told you that you had to get the degree. No, logic didn't tell you to get the degree anyway, because if you were listening to your logic, it would actually tell you to work with high-class mentors and coaches because they prepare you for life. University never prepared you for life anyway. And it certainly didn't prepare us for money either. For business, no. For entrepreneurship, no. For human connections, did it even prepare us for relationships? No. Human connections? No. Marriage and dating? No. How to keep up with family? No. Building networks and connections? No. Working with coaches and mentors? No. We weren't taught to do the things that actually change and transform our lives. You will also find that once you start respecting money, where it's like you don't spend it unnecessarily, you're not giving out all the time, you like to keep it with yourself sometimes, on and off, it's a good practice. If you are somebody who just spends everything the same day when your salary comes in, for example, that means that you're not really respecting yourself with money. You don't trust yourself with money. That is why you don't let it sit down in your pockets even for a day. You just have to like spend. It comes in and then it has to go out. You're not really trusting yourself with money, and that's an indication you don't respect money. You don't trust it to be there with you. You think it makes you feel triggered and insecure. You know, you have to allow it to be with you for a while. Like, feel the energy of it being with you and making you feel secure rather than insecure, okay? So this is kind of like a mindset shifting that you have to do. And these games you have to play with yourself so that you can tap into the energy of abundance, and everything else you can do afterwards. But first, you need to train yourself with trusting yourself with money and respecting money, and trusting that it'll be there for you to protect you because it's your best friend, because why not? Now, the way I trust money is, well, I trust Revolut a lot. Now, I am from the UK and I'm somebody who travels back and forth between London and Dubai quite often, and therefore I love using Revolut because A, no matter where I go, it has no exchange rate whatsoever. Whatever amount you want to take out from the ATM, you will get the exact amount out from an ATM no matter where you are, whichever country you're in right now, right? You get the equivalent amount in that currency of that place where you're at right now, with no added exchange fee, foreign fee, nothing. You can also withdraw around 1,000 to 1,200 every month, again with no extra fee, no foreign exchange fee, no matter which country you're in. Most of the countries are supported. So if you are somebody who is in the UK, I highly suggest go to the link down below and sign up for Revolut. It's the best decision that you will make, especially if you're somebody who travels on and off and you always need like extra travel money or whatever. With Revolut, you're in good hands. And also, just in case you get your salary paid into your Revolut account, you can always withdraw your salary one day prior it even arrives into your account. And if you choose to get your salary paid into your Revolut account, which I do recommend, there is an option where even before the salary has arrived, one day before, if you need the money, you have the option of already receiving your salary and withdrawing that money right there and then, prior to the salary even arriving in your account, before the salary has even reached your account, and again with no added fee. So I am a fan of Revolut. I think with Revolut you are in safe hands. So check out the link down in the description box below, because if you sign up through this link, you get free funds into your account. And with Revolut, you can actually also, by the way, invest in stocks and bonds within the app. And the app is super easy to navigate. Revolut is like the best banking that I've ever done, and I use it all the time, especially when I'm traveling. I always have my Revolut card with me. And another amazing feature is that they let you design the cards, which is super cool. Wait, where is my card? I found my card! I know this is gonna be tacky. Don't judge me, don't laugh. But I was feeling some kind of way, and yes, this is the design of my card, but you can design your card the way you like. Write nice things, like whatever you want. I have another Revolut card in the same color, and it has like a diamond ring kind of a design on it. Very cute. Again, I was feeling some kind of way when I designed these cards, but on the app it gives you the option to design your cards, and you can just add like emojis, text, write down whatever you want. I think next time I lose a card and I order another one, I'm gonna write down like a money affirmation or something like this. Money is your best friend. Something along those lines. Not so tacky. So do you understand how money and wealth and richness is a side effect of you feeling abundant already? You know, it's like the law of cause and effect. Whatever effects you get is because of something, right? So if the effect is a lot of money is coming your way in your business and you're attracting more money, wealth, riches, abundance, cash flow, well, that was a result of what? The abundance that you felt, the love that you had, the passion, the creativity that you have, and the feeling of joy because you feel abundant. That feeling, that frequency, keep that. Like that feeling, that frequency is what attracts more and more and more in your life, whether it's health, wealth, relationships, marriage, love, money, a great business with lots of cash flow. All of these things come because of that particular frequency, right? So money has frequency, you have frequency, wealth has a frequency, a great business with lots of cash flow that is a frequency also. So try to tap into that frequency and learn to respect money with Revolut. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I'm just trying to sound cool. I personally use Revolut and I have put all my family friends on this card. Like, this is the best thing ever. So yes, check out the link down below and I shall see you in my next video. I'm Lady Isha, your self-development and improvement coach, and on this channel particularly we talk about money and finances because it's something that I love to talk about and it's something that I want you to improve on so that your life can transform and become better and better and you attract bigger and bigger things, because why not? I want the best for you and I am your online best friend, and I shall see you in my next video, guys. Bye.